What's up, guys? Good morning. Top of the morning to ya. I'm on. All right. For those of you that are curious if I'm out of battle, BATL, I am now out of battle. Profit for the day, because I held from yesterday, is right there. Oh, you guys can't see because I got to get rid of that stinking sign thing. There you go. Oh, yeah, I got to get rid of that too. There you go. There's my profit for the day on BATL, 164. Would have been a lot more if Charles Schwab would have let me sold at would have let me sell at 35. But what are you gonna do? I'll take $164 start to my day. Oh, why not? I mean, who wouldn't, right? I got to try to get this thing back up on my upper screen here. There we go. Oh boy. All right, let's go. Right, let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Night Owl. Good morning, guys. All right, so don't forget to hit that like, that follow, that share. We're gonna start this early so you guys don't have to tap uh, to your little heart's content there at the end of at the end of the live because you guys literally just pulled it off yesterday. With like 5 minutes left, you guys got like 15,000 likes, which is pretty amazing. Um, as you guys can see, I'm in TMDE. Again, I got in when I thought it was a breakout, and it decided to be a pullback. Uh-huh. Yep, right here. I got in right here. I thought it was coming back. I waited. I got the one bar on the MACD there, and yeah. I mean, I could have also just sold real quick and made a penny, but uh Warren Price. Okay, nice green. Yes, thank you. Thank you. And see now that just gives me. And that was on 10 shares, guys. I just held overnight and that was it. I bought 10 shares yesterday at like 16 bucks. And yeah, pretty much doubled my money. So that was cool. What up, K Dog 636? All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So I will let you guys know yesterday or last night I was having some heart problems. And I was not feeling good at all. So I knocked out pretty quick. This morning, I've got my little heart monitor watch thing going here because things were not looking so hot. Let's see here. I was gonna reset this. I was gonna write something here. I gotta hit edit, I guess. You guys go ahead and throw up your questions or your tickers, and we'll look at them. I'll alert stuff here and there. Right now, BATL looked pretty good. Right now, it's taking a break, but just keep in mind that things are heating up with the Iran, U.S. and Israel. I I'll call it a conflict. Um, so keep in mind, oil prices are going to be rising as they have been, and so will gas prices. Don't forget that gas prices are going to rise as well because of oil rising. Yeah, so keep that in mind. All right, keep this one light. Let's go. There we go. Remember, I don't go live unless we hit 25,000 likes the next day. So I battled when it was pennies and sold when it reached over $1. Gabby, no worries, you made profit. You could always jump in and out. That's scalping right there. I mean, I was in battle at 16 bucks from yesterday, from last night, and I decided to hold my 10 shares over overnight, and it worked out. Yeah, it worked out, and I completely spaced that it was not on the watch list, which is fucking ridiculous. I was exhausted last night, guys. My heart was not feeling good, but it is what it is. EONR. Let's take a look. EONR. There we go. All right, EONR. Why is it blowing up? Why is it blowing up? Hey, good morning, Bill Stanton. Good morning, back hose. What's up, man? Okay. All right, all right, all right. Oh, and still today, my heart's kind of currently, we are sitting at a uh, resting rate of 62 beats a minute. Currently, my heart rate is about 60. Oh, I'm sorry, 72. That's got to be the coffee kicking in already. All right, so let's check EONR. So, like I've been telling you guys, it's a good idea to keep an eye on anything related with oil, um, anything related with defense and drone companies as well, because they are going to be moving. That's what's going on. And the thing to always remember is that whatever's going on in the world affects our little tiny stocks, because they have a fake rhetoric, fake rhetoric, fake. I don't think that was the word I was using. I was looking for. Um, well, their job is to pump news, whether the company is doing something with what's going on with the economy or anything, or not. They won't really get in trouble by pumping fake news. So, you know, it's scalp time. That's what it is. Now, I did look at Battle as a possible swing play. Um, I mean, uh, what is oil at today? What is oil at today? I'm just curious. Oil is at 76.89. That's what oil's at. So if oil breaks, and now I got to take a look here. How high has oil been and when? So oil got above 90 back in, we'll say 2022, February 4th. It hit about 90 bucks. And then after that, in March, it hit 103, 106 in 2022. The highest it's been was, what is this, 118, 120? That's 5 years ago. Almost, well, actually, no, 4 years ago. We're in 2026. Ding dong. Um, so if you think about it, if oil breaks about 90 bucks, I think stocks like BATL, I think stocks like TMDE, TPET, oil stocks, I think they're gonna go boom, boom, boom. That's what I'm thinking. I think Battle in you know in with the right kind of circumstances, uh, I think Battle could probably hit about 48 plus. That's my opinion. So that's giving you guys a little tidbit because you guys are on early. Now, is it going to get there? Who knows? It hit 35 today. So oil keeps going up. this will keep going up. EONR resources. Let's see. I didn't see any news. I get it's a oil company, oil related company. Sorry. 4 months ago, they got a Schedule 13DA, a Def 14A 5 months ago, and obviously following the headlines right now. Let me get some music going here. I hate listening to my voice. I'm so glad that that TikTok doesn't care about music. Man, it's crazy how fast my heart's beat. All right, music, music, music. So as I've been telling you guys on stuff like EONR, wait for that pullback. Don't just get in on the green candle. I've shown you guys how it works and how badly it works if you just jump in. So right now TMDE is taking about $12 from me. I have 30 shares of it. So that is what it is. It is really it is what it is. But like I said, I'm happy that I was able to get into battle nice and early and hold that for overnight. Um, Ruby's starting to move again. Nice little bump there. Here's Ruby. Remember what I've always said. Once it breaks volume weighted average price to the top, then it breaks down. Then it's going to bounce between the red line and the yellow line. So that's the 200 EMA and the volume weighted average price. So we're going to start off with a little bit of fun stuff here. This is I found this music here and I'm really digging it, especially in my car. I just got to find the song that I like. It's called Running with the Bulls. Running with the Bulls. Here it is, right here. So it might be a little much for some of you, but that's okay. I'm not I'm not geared to please everybody. I try, but beautiful lunar eclipse this morning. Oh yeah? Ah, I saw a beautiful, beautiful full moon yesterday. I did. Her name was Sophia. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But I did see a beautiful, beautiful moon last night. Hey, good morning, Joseph Parrish. What up, dog? Like I said, it might be a little much for you guys this early in the morning. But if you guys don't want any music, just go over to the YouTube channel, Jrockstocks. There's no music there. So this one here, 40 million float. It's done 10 million. Average is 3 million. Currently just kind of pushing up against that 74 cents. You guys are looking for a target. I'm not sure I want to give you one, but I don't know. I've been screwed over by EONR plenty of times. 82 there. Can you guys hear me okay? Is the music too loud? Man, I'm tired this morning. First two calves were born last night. Calving 2026 is starting. Nice, man. So the music's okay, not too loud? Or is it too loud? Sorry, I forgot what question I asked. Is the music too loud? Perfect. Okay, cool. Perfect. Thank you guys. Thank you. As you guys can see, this thing has problems around 82 cents. So that's going to be your first area of resistance right here, 82 cents. Your next one's going to be about $1, like we already know. Durr. So if you're looking to, let's say, get in, take profit, that kind of thing, usually around 97 cents is a good mark because it usually will do something like that. Now let's look for that gap just in case this thing does want to move. Yeah, this stuff sounds really good in the car. So I don't see any gaps, but you guys can see what this thing's done and how it usually does it. So just keep this in mind, okay? Keep it in mind. Well, what it does is it'll pump up and then all of a sudden dump, just like that, right? Look again right here. It'll pump up and then dump, right? So what's going on today? What's going on today? Let's see. Same? Is it going to be the same? Because look, it did it. It did it yesterday. Pre-market pumped and then dumped. And then what's it going to do today? Is it going to pump and then dump again to do the same thing? Could possibly do the same thing. So just be careful. It does have a lot of resistance at about 82 cents. Let's see what else we got. Sky Q. Let's take a look at that real quick. What up? What up? On my mama. Robo Stack. Stack. I'll put Stack over here. Nice little move over the past 2 days. Yeah. Sky Q's pushing that 60 cents again. Sky Q, Sky Q. All right. So there was that. Now let's go something else. This is also called Running with the Bulls. Thank you guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. Mr. Lonely, thank you very much for the hearts. Me appreciate it. We're going for 20 punching gloves today, guys. That's what we're going for. If you guys want to partake, partake. If you don't, don't. It doesn't really matter to me. I just do that so that TikTok sees that I'm trying. So I don't know. Maybe they'll be nicer to me. If not, then who gives a shit? Really, right? All right, stack. Sky Q. So there you go. There's Sky Q all lined up there for you. 67 cents. That's the first target. Second target, 78. And this is the third target, this little white line here. There you go. So Sky Q's lined up. We'll see if we can get any of those. It is at its breakout, so we'll see. There's Sky Q. Stack, you already see you've got 146, which it almost got. It hit 144. The next one you have is 179. And if it really wants to run, you got 219. And there might be some people a little confused with what's going on in the Discord with one of the members. Well, it's a community thing. Sometimes people take a little too much advantage of me and feels like the community. So when that happens, I usually pretty much cut ties with that person. Um, just so you guys know, if anyone's curious about what's going on in the Discord with a certain person, it's just how it goes. And at that point, the way that the subscription works is if you're part of the community and you're subscribed, which is the only way you're able to be in the Discord, unless I give you, like, let's say, a little leeway because you're a good person, you seem good. Um, for the most part, everybody in the Discord is paid. Um, and I put alerts on there. I put extension targets on there, off the watch list, um, all that kind of stuff. Look at what was that? God dang it! I missed it because I was talking. Stupid talking. uh, where did it go? But yeah, so I'll be as generous as I can be. Certain person got $100 cash app to him from me, just to help him out, and then because I said, hey, you know, it'd be cool if before you put anything up on my Discord that you ask me for permission if you can put your cash app on my Discord. And then after that, he basically ghosted me. And I sent him the $100 because I thought, hey, why not? Let's help the guy out. No thank you, no fuck you, no nothing. So I said, all right, well, that's fine. And I just wanted to make sure he was okay. And no answer. He answered in the community chat. He knows how to private message me because he's done it before. And when I get when I feel like somebody's reaching out and really trying to be a part of the community, I give them a little bit of leeway. I help out as much as I can. But yeah, sometimes it doesn't go the right direction. And again, if you are subscribed and there is something that goes on, I'll I'll kick you out of the community. And it'll be on my discretion whether or not I want to refund you your money. And I've done this before. I've done it with there used to be a guy named Lance. He came on. He wanted me to freaking hold his hand through trades, and I wouldn't. I said I couldn't. I'm not a financial advisor. I think this was with Mullen. I think there was a question he had with Mullen. That is BATT. That's BATL. It just dropped below volume weighted average price. Just hit 25.57, 25.53. Huh. Wonder what's going on with it. Not sure. Anyways, so yeah, I took the guy's subscription. I refunded him his subscription, kicked him out of the group, blocked him, completely distanced myself from the person because I kept telling him no, and then he got aggressive. I was like, all right, yeah, no, I'm not gonna play that game. Sorry. So there you go. EONR. Ow. Ugh, that hurt. Ugh, okay. EONR just decided to hit that first target, I believe. Almost. I saw it jump up on my screen here and got excited. All right. So, moral of the story is I'll be as nice as I can be to everybody. Just if you wrong me, then, you know, eh, I'll block you on everything. Uh, Stack still sitting there at 120. It's 572 million float. I'm sorry. Sorry. Volume, 5.73 million volume, 10 million float. Anyone here needs to subscribe, follow Jrock if you haven't already. Hey, thanks, Andy. What's up, Andy? How you doing, buddy? All right. Keep on searching here. TMND getting its butt kicked as well. I've noticed that TMND follows kind of the same rhythm that Battle does. Um, Currently, Battle is getting its ass kicked. So is TMND or TMDE. Sorry. You guys made money on TMND because I didn't. Just took everything I made on other stocks. Oh man. Yeah, TMND, TM, Jesus, I keep doing it. TMDE, Backos, TMDE. Yeah. So yes, made money on that one. Not a whole lot, but you guys saw how I play. I play very little. Just, playing around. What's up, the one squib? Um, so yeah, so it's not gonna wreck my account, it's not gonna hurt me. And then you catch a runner every now and then, and Battle was the runner. That was 400%, or TMDE was 400% off the watch list. And then Battle's just been insane. Today Battle is up 110% from yesterday. So it's a pretty good runner. And that's what you guys should be looking for when you're playing stocks. And we talked about this yesterday, so I'm going to talk about it a little bit more. Nice. Hit me up, the one squid. Maybe I'll come say hi to you. Maybe have a coffee or a beer or whatever you're into. We can say hi. You can say you fucking met me in person. um, but yeah, so like I said yesterday, it's those little tiny profits, and this was towards the end of the live. It's the little tiny profits that keep you alive when you play penny stocks. Good morning, DJ Vinny. Um, when you're playing penny stocks, all you got to do is just try to survive, and surviving means taking those base hits, taking those small profits. Those base hits add up, and then you compound. And ZD, take a look at ZD. It's more expensive, but it's up about $12 today. ZD. Here it is. Here is ZD. What is the news on this sucker? Davis to sell connectivity division to Accenture for $1.2 billion. Holy shnikes. That is a lot of cheddar. Cheddar and cheese. All right. Beat you to it, Debbie. Beat you to it. Oh man, I saw someone's name Cats on Film. That's okay. All right, let me change the music to a little something a little slower, I am excited today. I'm excited. Today's a good day. Just need my heart to step into it. Here we go. All right. So ZD, what are the targets on this one? This is a bigger one. It's already at $42. It just jumped up $2 right now. Oh God, sorry. I it just God, I hate getting older. I hate getting older. Allergies seem to be. Drink more water. I drink a lot of water. I drink so much water, I almost need to pee every time I'm on my live. There's a gap right there, guys. So the gap starts at 43.66. So there's an idea there. That's probably gonna get there. Currently $40, 40.93, 43.78. Then after that one, you've got this big one right here, 47.54. You just call it 47.66. Why? Because I said so. Because I'm the best around. I mean, that's just duh. There. Possibilities are there. You can possibly get up to here. So if anyone asks you and says, "Hey, did J-Rock call that?" You can say, "Yes, J-Rock called that shit way early, way early. Not in the 20s, but he called it in the 40s." There you go. There it's lined out. So 43.78, 47.56, and 47.66, and then 51.39. Guys, you guys need to get some sleep because my brain not functioning too much right now. All the money is being sucked into war stocks, leaving my stocks sad and me grumpy. Brian, no, man. Come on now. It's all right. Everything's being sucked into oil stocks currently. That's right. And if you guys are on the watch list, if you're in the blog, MOBX, guys, MOBX. Check it out. Check it out. Do. All right, so MOBX, Mobix Labs. No news. No news. Just kind of decided to jump up for no reason. Let's see what MOBX, what the reason is. 50 seconds ago, Mobix Labs secures significant U.S. Navy Tomahawk missile component order as production accelerates. You know what? Let's play a little game here. Let's play a little game of, hey, let's just jump in and see what happens. I'm gonna put $100 on it. Boom, shakalaka. Let's chase. Oh yeah, we're chasing. Get excited. All right, so I bought 400 shares of this sucker because it's low price and it's $100. I'm keeping my. So if you guys have noticed, did SkyQ have news? Let's see. SkyQ. SkyQ did not have news on news filter. Hey, look at that. We're doing good. Come on, baby. So these are old targets, but I'm gonna go with them. I'm gonna go with them. That's a pretty good. That's some pretty good news, right? Anything war related, whatever. You know what? Let's do this. Let's be smart about this. We have 400 shares, so let's go ahead and take 200 right about here. All right, and then we'll do the other 200 over here. We'll do 100 over here. All right, we'll do 100 there, and then we'll do 100 up here. Let's see what happens. Let's just let's fuck around and find out, as they say. Let's fuck around and find out. That's exactly what we're doing. We're fucking around and finding out. So let's see what we find out here. Let's see. I'm gonna go. You guys got excited right there because you saw it's a big green candle. Ah, suckers. No, I'm gonna see where these targets came from before. Oh, okay. Yeah. Targets are still good. It's been a while, but look at that. This is why it's up here. 74.96. 74.96 right there. Support, resistance, and continuously kind of taking a little break here. So I think my targets are pretty right on spectrum here. Let's go, baby. I rolled some end of days yesterday, 40p up. Right. What the fuck? Nice. Let's go. So yeah, so I don't see anything on SkyQ on any of my stuff here. But let's watch this puppy make me some money here. Put me in the green after TMDE. Restrictions primarily direct people off platform. This is in line with TikTok live section. Okay, let's appeal that. Sure. I'm not telling people to go anywhere. I'm just using this as a platform to boost my business. I'm not telling people to do anything. You fucking retarded, stupid TikTok. My appeal is you're dumb. That's literally what this is what I'm writing. Look at this. Select reason for appeal. You're dumb. Too many restrictions. Oh, look at that. We made some profit. Whoops, restrictions. There we go. And if TikTok wants to kick me off, go ahead. I'll go do shit some other place. Fucking it's ridiculous. Anyways. All right, here we go. So we already took some profit. We're up 32 bucks. And the reason is cuz the news came out that quickly and I jumped in at the right time. I know I wasn't doing the right thing there. Where's Mobix going, Jay? On the screen, you got, so it hit the first target, which was about 41 cents. Second target was 58, and it's at 49 now. Third target 74, but I think I might extend that. I think I might extend that. There is a lot of resistance there at 74, though. Hmm. Oh, yeah, so it's doing pretty good. So you guys saw me take profit and I didn't hit the button, so I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Look, profit scalped. Profit scalped. Boom, 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 boom. All right. And then I'm gonna wake the people up on YouTube with the air horn. You guys ready? Woo hoo hoo hoo. Let's go. All right, so we'll see. It just hit 54 cents. I've got this set at 58. I might drop it down, take that profit, and leave 100 to ride. Yeah, I've been bagging 2,100 shares. Oh, God. Well, hopefully you can get out. Hopefully your bags will be loaded with money. Yeah, you see what I did there? That's right. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, since I'm already hit from TikTok saying I'm trying to get people off platform and they're not showing my stuff anymore. Let's see, where is it? Here. Hey guys, I'm also on YouTube live streaming simultaneously. Thank you. How do I say that? DJ Vinny, thank you for the hearts me. Exo VVP, thank you for the goat. Thank you for the you're awesome. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There you go, TikTok. Now I'm directing people off your stream. There you go. Okay? Now you can go ahead and throw that restriction at me. Yep. Different ownerships, same old assholes. B Benny, thank you for the heart me. Appreciate you. All right, so I'm just chilling right here on this one. This is a 1 minute chart. Let's see what the 5 minute looked like. Oh yeah, look at it. It's a big it's a big old spike with a little red. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'm pretty good there. What was that? Which stock is on that scanner? Oh, okay, that's still battle on there. It's at 25.86. Remember, battle ran to frickin' 35 today. To 35. Here's BATTL or BATL. Jesus, I'm tired. I'm trying to wake up. I'll get there. So here's battle. On Schwab, I couldn't sell. I'll show you guys. I even took a screenshot of it on BATT. Jesus, stop doing that, Jerry. Jesus. On battle, here's my little screenshot of that one. I shared it on the Discord. Let me make it smaller so you guys can actually see it. There we go. So I had battle. This is on my Thinkorswim account. I had 10 shares. This Thinkorswim is Charles Schwab. That's that. So I had 10 shares at 16.57. It hit, what was it at? It was at 27.28 in pre-market. You can't sell this thing until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time because Charles Schwab opens up at 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So instead of making 160 for the day there, that dropped. And then I waited. At this point, it was 160 at 27.28. Okay. So I made 164 on it. But here's the shitty part. If I was able to sell at 35, that would have added another so 160, so I was up 16 bucks. That would have added another what, 15 bucks? 7? 7, 7, 7? No. That would have added another 8 bucks, 7, 8 bucks. What another 70, 80 bucks? right there, because it went up that much. Yeah, 27. Yeah, yes, about $7. There you go. Come on, Mobix, move up. Those ringing noises, that's battle on my other scanner. Like I said, I'm scanning that right now as well. Come on, Mobix. So this is the smart move right here. Guys, this is the smart move to just take some profits because, I've seen these things do what they want to do. Now I'm only sitting in it with 100 shares. I took about what? I had 400. Yeah, so I took 75% off the table. I had 400 shares. 75% off. I'm up $33 right now for the day. Didn't cost me much. Cost me $100. So there you go. I'm in at 31. Currently, it's at 46. I've got a take profit here of 100 at 74.23, which I think I'm actually going to change. I'm going to turn that into 50. There we go. Turn that into 50, and then, we all say things are going to go to $1. Well, let's see if this thing wants to go to $1. So we'll go 97 cents. There we go. Create, and we'll go ahead and do the other 50 there. There we go. All right, let me get back to your guys' comments here real quick. What's up, David Conway? Moby, baby. Moby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Are you related to the Rusty Rod? No, I'm not. Not at all. Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Oh, man. Let's get these out of here. That was that long time ago. There we go. Hey guys, if you guys made some money already off the live stream, throw some fireballs in the chat. If you haven't, no big deal. That's okay. We're still early. We're still early. Man, MOBX. Whew. That was a quick, fun little runner. Fireball. What's up, Fred Flintstone? ZD hit the target. No one said anything. What? You guys. There's ZD. It hit 43 bucks there. It hit 44 actually. 44.97. So it hit the first target. Hit the first target. There you go, guys. Don't forget to take profit. And that was freaking easy. Wasn't that easy? That was easy. Let's do that on YouTube as well. That was easy. Yes, it was. That was super easy there. Super easy for cheesy. There you go. Backhoe's Night Owl. Nice. You guys did good. Awesome. All right, let's get that off there. And then did you guys there you go. There it is. ZD still pushing. Still pushing. Let's see if it can get up there. This is a 1-minute chart. Mobix. MOBX. They secured a Navy contract. That's what they're doing. That's what MOBX is doing. And that is pretty cool. The Navy contract for Tomahawk missile components. And let's see. Let me just throw this in a chat GPT so it could summarize it for me because I don't feel like reading all that. You guys know that's how it works. But that is awesome. Let's see. Ooh. You guys excited? Are you guys maniacs? Here we go. Let's go, Mobix. Come on, baby. Look at this one over here too. ZD moving up towards that second target, 47.66. Needs to break this 44.97. I think that's going to be easy for it, to be honest. All right, so so the catalyst. What is the catalyst here? It's tied to active weapon systems. Yep. War headlines make this emotionally tradable. Defense spending narrative is strong. Retail understands Tomahawk missiles instantly. Yeah. Yeah. So there is a problem. There is one problem with MOBX. They didn't disclose the order size. And that's important because you know, how much are they making off of this, How big is the order? That would matter. Structure. duh, 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 duh. Ooh, they do have an S1 filed 4 months ago. And if you guys are curious what that is, go to my profile and click on the filings there. You'll know what an S1 is. An S1A, sorry. S1A. Lots of stuff to read. Jesus. Still lots of stuff to read. But yes, I think that this can possibly get to $1. The float's not super small. The float's 84.44 million. That's up there. Man, look at you guys. We're almost at 5 and we're only at 4,000 likes. You guys are a little slacky. That's okay though. It's okay. So I don't blame you. It's okay. It's Tuesday. Everybody's got a case of the Tuesdays. I for sure have a case of the Tuesdays. But the way that the month is going so far, I really feel like this is going to be a good month. I do. I feel like the trading is going to get better now. If you believe that, then I don't know. Uh, put fireballs in the chat or some shit. Come on, Mobix, let's go. Good news associated with the little conflict that we're having with Iran, which isn't really a little conflict. It could change things very drastically for the world, really. You guys know I'm not pro war, but I think you guys also know that I'm the kind of guy that believes that if push comes to shove, you got to shove back hard, hard. Yeah, I'm the parent that tells my kid that if he's at school and one of his friends is getting bullied or somebody starts bullying him and gets physical, you punch that kid in the nose as hard as you can, and I'll take you out for ice cream afterwards. I'll give you $100 in Robux. I will celebrate your victory. I'm that parent. So, you know, love it or leave it, right? All right. So MOBX, it cannot break down past volume weighted average price, which is about 44 cents. Yeah, 44.50. Reflect violent behaviors, criminal activities. You guys, seriously, look at this. Look at this. This is what I just got flagged. For what? For what? Please, God, tell me. Please tell me, what did I get flagged for? Live contains themes that may find uncomfortable and has been restricted, violated. Oh my God. Oh boy. All right, guys. Oh, wow. Woo. Oh my God. I just can't. I can't do it with, I can't do it with TikTok. I just can't. I cannot. So irritating. So irritating. Uh, well, guys, I don't think you're going to see me on TikTok very much longer. Just saying. I think, unfortunately, I think that TikTok and I have found a we've finally come to the fork in the road where, you know, a salty dog. What's up, man? Oh, come on. TikTok is the best. Really? Please do explain. Just got to figure out the music thing. Yeah. That's tough. That's tough on YouTube. It is tough on YouTube. But you know, sarcasm. A salty dog. Well, I was gonna say you're salty, so I would not understand that at all. But now I do. Sarcasm. I love it. Oh man. Come on, MOBX. Do not break 44 cents. If you break 44 cents, I'm gonna have to dismiss you. All right. So let's see what else is moving. So ZD has not yet gotten to that point. It's looking like it kind of lost a lot of volume. It's not really doing much. 12, 12. Wow. 12. 906. Yeah, it lost a lot of volume. All right. Well, another day for me being a bad boy on TikTok. So if you guys, again, I'm also on YouTube. Over there, you get to choose your own music because you get to play it at home, your own music. All right, and we're gonna say, fuck you, algos, right there. Okay, and actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna change that up. Yep, we'll catch a restriction, but here you go. Here, just for you, TikTok. Yep, there you go. You're welcome. Oh man, I gotta stand up. My watch just told me I gotta stand. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Oh, yeah, okay. Just want to make sure my dog or my kids haven't pushed my desk too far. Dude. All right, so Mobix just broke 44 cents. So like I said, that is going to be a hard stop for me. Oh, technically shit, right there. So it found its support right about there, which is 43.12. I'm still gonna chill. Still gonna chill. We'll see. We'll see what it decides to do. Ah, good old TikTok. All right, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna go ahead and jump off the live. Okay, we're gonna jump off the live. We're gonna jump back on the live on TikTok. You guys are at 6,500 likes. All right, so we're gonna jump off. We're gonna remember that number because 25,000 is the number, right? Ah, there it is. It's done. That's dumped. That's dumped. It's not even 5 a.m. candles. All right, there we go. We're just gonna take profits there. Get out. Take it. Take it and run. That's it. Let the tomahawk fly. Yeah, no, not there, I guess, huh? All of a sudden that volume picked up 1 million shares, 2 million shares right there. Did they do an offering? What did they do? Oh, you got to still remember whether or not it's a good company or it's not sorry. Let me get that out of my mouth. Uh, whether or not it's good news or bad news or amazing news, you still have to look at it as it's still a penny stock on the Nasdaq. There's still dilution. There's still all this other crap. But here, let me go ahead and jump off here real quick. I'm gonna come back in just 2 seconds. Okay. I just got to clear up those restrictions so people can find me because people are still jumping on right now and they can't find me. 6,800. Okay, Debbie. All right. I'll see you guys in just a second. TikTok's so dumb. Oh, TikTok is so dumb. All right, there we go. We're back on. Uh-huh. I'm a tiger. All right, so I'm back on TikTok for those that care. We're still watching MOBX. It recovered a little bit there. I'm still out of it. Just decided to say nope. I'm done with that. Let's see. TMDE just completely dropped out. Dropped back down to 346. I'm gonna put that up here because I'm still in it and I want to get out of it because I stopped paying attention to it. I'm already down 1798. It did do a little double bottom here. We'll see what happens. But I would like to get out of here with a little less loss there. All right. Go ahead and guys hit the like, hit the follow, hit the share, do your thing on TikTok. But again, just know that it's probably not going to be, I'm probably not going to be on TikTok very much longer. So if you're not on YouTube, you guys are missing out. All right, Ruby 145. Been in a downtrend ever since it opened today. Very interesting. You got E, O, and R. Be careful with it. It looks like a head and shoulders pattern on E, O, and R. There's your shoulder, there's the head, there's the other shoulder, and consolidation, and then should come down to the red line. If it breaks through the red line, it's coming back down to the 53-cent mark there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Where's my phone? That's what I've been forgetting. I keep forgetting to do that. It's because I get so excited. All right. Thank you, Risky. Thank you for sharing. Oh my God. I went to Solar Light sale when you left. Had to buy two. Oh. What is SVRN still doing? We're at 76 cents. Rick. EONR, like I said, she's trying. She's trying to survive. Right now we're getting the crazy candles. It's 5 a.m. So there they are. This is what I was talking about. Let's see. It almost got that red line. Almost got the red line. Came very close. I might also go live on some other platforms as well. I know there's plenty of platforms out there, you know. I thought we could get this whole TikTok thing figured out, but maybe not. All right, come on. ZD pushing up against that $44 again. Guys, don't forget to take your profits when you can. Just because the market's a little better than it was doesn't mean you get all crazy and not take profits. Thank you, thank you, thank you for sharing the live. Anybody else want to share the live? We got Cree. Cree shared the live. Risky shared the live. Debbie shared the live. Lolo Rod shared, liked the live. Liked the live. I like it. Fred liked the live. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hit the like, hit the follow, hit the share. Do your thing. Let's go. Don't be scared. And we're already at 1.5, 1.6 on the Richter scale there for likes. So that's good. Thank you. Two down. Shared the like. Shared the live. Don't be surprised if it isn't someone you know reporting you. I'm not. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised either at all. Nope. Nope. I might have an idea of who that may be. Oh boy. SHFS. Making some moves here. Let's see what and why. SHFS. Nope. No news there. Nope. No news there. So, all right. So just be cautious. It's 1.93 million float. Volume so far is only 81,000. Average volume is about 27,000. 27, sorry, 270,000. Here. Thanks, David, for sharing the live. Appreciate you. There we go. More and more people are starting to see that I'm on. You know, I wonder if you guys know that I'm on 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday, here on TikTok and on YouTube. This is not finance advice at all. I'm a dumb freaking ape. This is not financial advice at all. So, yeah. Entertainment purposes only. Take a look at Solar Strategies, STKE. It's a little bit bigger float. Volume slowly lifting up. Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. Don't get excited. NPT. NPT. There we go. Let's look at that one. NPT. Here we go. There's your levels on NPT. All right. Too much. Too much. Gotta stay under my $100 per per ticker. So, oh gosh, dang it! See here, I'm screwing around with trying to stay at $100, and the damn thing just erupted. I would have been in at 690-ish, and it erupted. Let's see if it'll still buy me in. Now I'm not gonna be under. Now I'm not gonna be under. Oh, we'll say right here. We'll say right here. If it doesn't buy me in there, then screw it. But look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? There we go. I'm in now. All right. Let's see what it does for me. Oh, coffee grains. Darn it. I hear it's good fiber, right? Well, this is a good song. NPT, there is no news that I can see, but we jumped in. You guys saw we're playing games. I don't know if you noticed. We're playing some what is it? Fuck around, find out games. That's what we're doing. Let's see if it has the tenacity to jump back up there again. Let's see. We're just gonna put this right here. We're gonna put, how many do I have? 15. I have 15 shares. We're just gonna put that there. We're gonna sell just so it's there. We'll see if it wants to jump back up again. That was quite a bit of volume there just for that one candle for no reason. Let's see. Come on, TPT. What? See, do you guys see the kind of stress I'm under? I can't even say the damn ticker correctly. NPT, NPT, Nancy, Paul, Tom. Don't be an Uncle Tom. TikTok, don't be an Uncle Tom. And if your name is Tom or Thomas, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't come up with that phrase. That they made me do it. All right, so there's NPT on the screen. Battle is coming back up. It's at $27. MOBX is at 46 cents. ZD hit $44 again. ZD. There we go. Come on now. More push. More go. More go. Let's go. Let's make me green. There we go. There's some green there. We're going to just wait and see what happens. If you guys think I'm crazy, fireballs in the chat. If you guys think I'm a dick, eggplants in the chat. And if you guys think I like peaches, put peaches in the chat. Peaches, 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 peaches. Oh boy, let's go. All right, that noise, that ding you heard, I think that was on battle. It's definitely coming back up now. Yep, it is back up at 27.70. So that's good for BATL. NPT is having a hard time getting through that 747 again. It did it real quick there. It is a 2.19 million float. Volume's 1.28. Its average is 702,000. So, really? I only got one person that said fireballs? I was expecting a lot of eggplants, but thanks, Gonzo. Thanks for the roses. Appreciate you. I gotta find that one person and block them. I know who it is. I know who decided to do that. Once I find them, I will block them. Wow, look at all these people in here. Dude, I haven't seen some of you in here for a while. What's up, Mustang Lou? We got two Lou's in here. We got a Happy Lou and a Mustang Lou. So Matt Rayner's been with us for a little while now. Matt, how are you liking the subscription, dude? And I want your honest opinion. Pure honesty. Matt is not a paid actor either. What's up, Matt? Not a paid actor. Nope. Actually subscribed. Come on, MPT. Get up. Get up. Get up. 707 NPT. Making money with you guys so far. I'm loving it. There you go. Perfect. Perfect honesty. All right, Matt. I'll pay you later. Don't worry about it. I'm just kidding. Oh, man. Come on. Just get up there. You see when I move it around on my screen like that, I'm trying to shake the stuff out of it. There's cobwebs in it. I don't want it to break out. Breakout. Do this again. Do this again. It's 896. Let's see. Let's see how accurate my lines there are. It's been a while since I looked. Oh yeah, they're very accurate. They're very accurate. That is the girth of it right there, ladies and gentlemen. That is the girth. All right, BATL 28 and a half. Debbie, I sold NPT. Good, Debbie, good. Make your money. Make your money, girl. I'm gonna just, hang out like I do. I'm gonna hang out like I do. I'm gonna take a look at this other one over here. TN. Was it TMDE? So TMDE still costing me about 17 bucks. So still not doing it. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Come on, NPT. Move your booty. 53 of you in here. That's awesome. Let's go. Come on, TikTok. Let's go. All right. How are my YouTube people doing? You guys are doing good. You guys firing off those fireballs. That's cool. I like it. Oh, got cold. Wonder if my heart rate dropped or something. Something triggered. Heart rate's doing good. Okay, we're good. We're not excited. We're not excited. That's a good way of testing yourself too. Hey, what's up, Mitchell? Thank you for the golden boxing glove. We got one. We're on our way to 20. We got one. Let's go. Mitchell, thank you for the hearts, me. Appreciate that. So as you can see, ZM TMDE is not doing it. It's just not doing it. Now, can this thing turn around and go back? Sure. But you know what? I think I'm gonna, man, do I hold it until market open, which is only like, an hour and 18 minutes away? Or do I just sell it and, hope for the best? Hmm. Make that money. That's right, Debbie. Make that money, girl. NPT, go. Go, go, go. Come on. Come on, NPT. You can do it. Yeah, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. Get it. Get it. Wait, why am I at 19? This is it. There we go. Come on, get it. NPT. Oh, rejected again. Oh boy. We got to be entertaining for you folks. We got to be entertaining. MOBX 4750. So it did come back. It did come back after that sell off. That's okay. It's currently looking like it might be doing an inverted head and shoulder pattern on a 1 minute chart. MOBX. Dang. Come on now. Don't do that. Go back up. What is this? A 1 minute? A 1 minute chart that looks very weird. Take that green. I know, Debbie. I know. I will. I will. Once she turns green again, I'll take it. I'll take it. Everybody loves a winner. No. Not gonna do that. Not yet. Nope. Debbie's probably yelling at me through her computer right now. She probably is. She's probably yelling at me. Don't make me come over there, damn it. Sometimes I wish you would. I think we could have some fun. You throw shit at me, I throw shit at you. Sounds like a good time. Take your profit. I don't want to. Oh man. All right. John Dillinger says USRNR. What is that? USRNR. Never FOMO that hard. Right? That's true. It's pretty good FOMO. Pretty good FOMO. Yes. Still looking here. EONR still pushing that 70 cents. Trying to get up and get over. All right, we're a little green now. A little green. Come on. We got a little green here. That'd be cool if I just made up this 19 bucks that I lost here on TMDE. That'd be cool. Shoot. Come on. Shoot up. Shoots and ladders. Let's go. Make this a ladder. Come on. Make this a ladder. Ladder up, damn it. Oh, we're laddering up as we speak. Yep. Oh man, I forgot to it hit all those target. I forgot to do this to the YouTubers. I forgot to do that. Why is battle halted? News pending. Pending news, I'm sure. Let's see. Is battle actually halted? Looks halted. Yep, suspended. Pending news. What's the news pending? It does not say. Of course, it's not going to say. It's Weeble. There, a dear. Battle is halted pending news. All right. What do you guys think battle's going to do? What do you guys think battle's going to do? Why is it suspended? Why is battle suspended? Is there going to be an offering? Is it going to be a possible what? Merger, possible what? Let's see. They put uh a month ago they and see this is what makes me laugh about newsfilter.io. They posted Battle Oil Corporation announces operational update. That was 1 month ago. I clicked on it right now. It says the article is being processed. This can take up to 5 minutes. I'm not even joking. I wish I was making that up. It can take up to 5 minutes. It's been a month. Come on. Let's go, NPT. I've faith in you. The hopium is strong with this one. Come on, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna be smart. I'm gonna drop it down here. I'm gonna be at 858. Let's see. Come on, 858. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. Let's give me that profit. Spank that. Hit that. Let's go. Well, you guys wanted music on YouTube. I just gave you some. Come on. Let's go. I'll take 852. Shoot. There. 851. Screw it. 851. We'll take it. Let's go. There's a good little fiery move there. Let's see. Is it going to do more? Or should I just take my $9? Should I just take my $9? What do you think, Debbie? Debbie, what do you think? Should I just take my $9? What do you think? Where are we at here? I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. Let's see what Debbie says. Waiting on Debbie. Waiting on Debbie here. Oh, it's going to sell me if it gets over that blue line. It's going to sell me. Come on, Debbie Wood. Take it. It just sold me by itself because it hit that. So, dang, look at that. That's awesome. That was good. So I canceled that. I'm out. It sold. Boom, boom, boom. Sorry. Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta hit this button. Boom. What's my heart doing? I'm acting crazy. Yeah, so see, my watch says, see, oh, you guys can't see my watch. Okay. Well, you'll be able to see it on my phone there. See that? I think. Let's see if I hide my face. No. Nope. Okay, you guys can't see it. It says it sold 15 shares at 851. Battle suspended. Yes, it is. Right here, you can see it says suspended. Take profit though, guys. Take your profits. Don't forget to take your profits. That is a smart thing to do. You oh, like that. Oh man, you gotta love that. That was easy. That was pretty easy. I gotta say, that was pretty easy. You gotta take your profits. Make it when you can. There we go. So we now just made back some of that money that we lost on TMND here, which again, I'm just watching because this thing can crash. It can crash. It can drop down below $1. It can. For some reason, I'm not selling it yet. Debbie, what are your thoughts? Hold or sell? Let's see what Debbie says. Let's get a consensus. Yo, what's up, Ken Diggity? How you doing, man? Oh my goodness, Debbie, you have seen me take profits now twice. There's no easy way out. Doing. It's funeral day today. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Hey, fireballs for Ken Diggity. His sister had passed away. Um, so fireballs for Ken Diggity. Pray for this man. He has had a rough go. He has had a rough go. But he is our buddy. He's our pal. He is a member of the community and he will be there. All right, let's see. Let's see how many of these I can do. There we go. Ooh, let's see. What news am I getting here on? Yeah, I don't see any of the news on Thinkorswim. I don't see any news on TikTok on BATL, and I don't see any news on on newsfilter.io. I could always search and see Karate Kid, baby. Yeah, that's right. That's right. There is no easy way out. There is no easy way out. But you guys have seen me do some crazy stuff on here. Okay. So again, it's not financial advice, right? It's just me messing around, having fun with my friends, and one guy that doesn't like me. One guy that doesn't like me and keeps reporting me for like literally everything. Oh, I know he's in here somewhere. I just don't know what his name is on here. But yeah. All right, guys, let's chew. 7.2K Tomahawk missile contract. Yeah, we know this. We know this, Stone Aged. We know this. We got you. We got it. We know. Thank you for sharing, though. That's really cool of you. No way. How can someone not like you? Well, that's and block account. There you go. You've been blocked, Kevin Jamel, and muted. Okay. Oh, it just makes me laugh. 4,000 for 5 people. If you have pay some bills, DM me. Okay. Well, maybe if you knew how to write, maybe we would. See, we all stuck in the T1. Ew. There we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, all right, let's see. But I'm still looking for other things that may pop up like MOBX did. Literally, we caught that seconds after that news came out. And that's the only reason that I jumped in so quickly on MOBX. NPT, oh man. Oh man, it hit all my targets. NPT hit all my targets. What? Oh man. No, you can't think like that. You cannot think like that with stocks. You took your profit, be happy you took your profit. That's right. Yes, yes, sir, Ken Diggity. Let's go, buddy. Let me know if you need anything. Yeah, that's more likely. You're right, Joseph. More likely it is an offering. It is an offering, more than likely. That is a lot of cheddar that they want to capitalize on. So they're going to capitalize on it. Oh boy. Ah, that spot where they put that heart monitor on me. So itchy still. Plugs making a little bit of a move here, but that float is huge. It's 1.33 billion with a B. TMND coming up a little bit for me here. I was really hoping that this was a double bottom here. It decided to be maybe a triple bottom. So I'm looking for this to get back up to volume weighted average price at minimum. Minimum. There's NPT. I guess I should put some other targets on NPT because I mean, it already hit those targets. So, all right, let's see. Next target on NPT. NPT, yeah, you know me. Probably gonna look for about, I don't know, somewhere around 11 bucks maybe. 918. Didn't it just hit 918? I think it did. And that is as high as she goes right there. So here's our next targets. Yeah, I'm gonna say about 11, maybe 1046, something like that. Let's go and throw that up there. Let's go with a yellow there. And then we'll go with the green here at about 1226. Yup. Oh yeah, we're lining you out, guys. We are lining you out. See what happens. We got all the targets up here. You can't get this shit anywhere else. Can you guys get this anywhere else? The way that the way that I do this stuff with you guys, can you get this somewhere else? If you can, please let me know. I would like to know. I really would. So there you go. We got all the targets. You guys saw it on the live stream. You guys saw this candle right here. Boop, 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 hit these, and then this one hit. Boop, 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 and that was at 914. So I think we did pretty good. I think we did pretty good there. Now I want to leave because that is a support resistance area. Actually, we can drop that down because that would be correct. Hey, TMDE coming back up a little bit for me. Let's go. MOBX holding up. MOBX is holding up. It's at 48 cents. Like I said, possible inverted head and shoulders pattern on MOBX. I'm standing up right now. That's why you guys see me dancing around. My legs are getting stiff. My watch was telling me stand up. Yes, I started wearing a watch so I could monitor my heart rate a little bit because shit's getting a little weird. I'm not gonna lie. My heart's acting very weird. But no matter, no matter. Anytime I go to the hospital, I bring my computer now, and I bring my, I mean, my computer has my camera on it, so I can do live streams from the bed if I need be. I gotta go. Good luck, fam. Take profits. The one squib. Thank you, sir. You have a great day, and make that money. I almost said make that money, honey, but that would have been weird. That would have been weird. Take a look at EONR. We did. We took a look at EONR at 66 cents right now, 67 almost. We did line EONR out. So again, these are the targets. These are the extended targets on NPT. But let's take a look at EONR for our friend here. Here is EONR. So again, just kind of trading trading the volume weighted average price right now. Like I see, if it breaks below that volume weighted average price, it's going to drop back down to that red line, possibly bounce between the red line and the yellow line. And yeah, it did not get take profit one, which is 81.97. So we'll call it 82 cents. Came close, hit 78.94, but that's it. No mas, no bueno. All right. Let's see, where are we? We have $318 left to play with. $318 to play with. So I'm up currently I'm up about 6%. I'm up about 6% for the day. It's not bad. It's not a bad day. 6%, right? MOBX still messing around. I'm looking to see if there's anything else that's possibly going to pop up and give us something to get excited about. We're waiting for BATL to unsuspend. ZD, hey guys. No one's talking to me about ZD. What is going on with you guys? You're not letting me know that it's coming close to hitting my next target? What does it matter with you people? I'm just kidding. I know what's the matter with you guys. You guys are hyped up on caffeine and tired as hell from chasing kids around, dancing in the kitchen, um, amongst other things. Oh boy. All right, what do we got here? UFG. What is UFG? That's slowly moving up there. I'm gonna have to change the music here. We got GWH popping up. GWH right here. Let's take a look. Does it have news? What is going on here? GWH. 1 minute ago, ESS announces agreement to join Salt River Project and Google long duration energy storage collaboration. All right. Okay. Well, I'm not familiar with this one, so this one I will have to just kind of line out and see what's up because we played it before, but I'm still not. I'm fuzzy on it. I haven't looked at it for a while. GWH, or at least my brain doesn't think it has. So 235, you have a gap. So let's take that down here. A little gap at 235 there. We'll turn that into purple. They call it mellow yellow. Right there, 276. We'll make that take profit number deuce. And with these targets, I think I'm gonna jump in. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna jump in. Let's see what the stock says. The stock gods say I do 50 shares. 50 shares, that's about $100. We'll do it right around there. We'll go ahead and just put that there. We'll see if she wants to come down and fill me. Oh, come on. Okay, we're filled at 191. Let's see. And we have 50 shares of it. We're going to go ahead and put this up here. We're going to do that. We're going to do about 25 shares there. We're going to go ahead and take profit there. If it wants to hit, there's that one. And then we'll do up here, we'll do the other 25 so that we can just be ready for if we want to drop that. Drop that hammer. All right, let's see. Let's see what it does here. Hi from Chicago, Siva Pilarisetti. Cool. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, so TMDE. I'm really, really trying to hold it until market opens. I'm trying, but it's making it really hard because, I'm in it at 405. It's down to 340, so that's 30 shares. I'm down most of my money on that one. So I don't like that. But am I gonna just sit here and watch it? Probably. Because this is not financial advice. It is entertainment only. And no fucking crypto, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's so kindly. All right, so we're gonna watch this. It does have some news. This is its first pullback. The news came out just a couple minutes ago. So we're not late, we're not early. We're just in the middle right now. This is a 22 million float. It's done 1.58 million in trading. Average volume is about 475,000. So we'll see what it does. Remember, I'm only buying about $100 worth of stock at any point here. So we're not going crazy. We're keeping our position small so that I don't get emotional. So you guys don't get emotional because I'm already emotional because I'm on the live with you guys. Yeah, that little white line. Oh man, that little white line's that's my little cutaway point. Mm, did I have a sell on here? No, I didn't pull one out yet. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna get out. Well, I have 30 of these. I'm just gonna get out. I'm not feeling great about it. And if it breaks that little white line, that's gonna break my heart. Because it broke it a little bit. And it's right there. And if I let it drop to here, it's just gonna add more loss. I don't want to take another loss. Yeah, I mean, I'm debating if I'm going to take a loss on GWH. I don't think I am, but well, let's see what she wants to do. It said 33637. So if I sell now, it's going to go ahead and be okay. I'll lose 20 bucks. I'm up 6% on my account right now, so I'm okay. See, this is decision making at its best. Do we or do we not? Do I or do I not? What do I do? What do I do? Where do I go? Which way? Rock, scissors, paper. Ready? Oh, two scissors. Ding, ding, ding. I'm just kidding. Oh, that was horrible. That was horrible, horrible, horrible. Froze up. I froze up. You froze up. Who froze up? Your TikTok live paused. No way. Let me see. Let me see. Let me go in my TikTok. 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 Oh man, I gotta log in. Am I still alive or am I still paused? You just don't want to have a heart attack. I had one. Not too awful. Zipper up my chest. Yeah, I had a little one. I had a little one. I'm okay. Life's good. All right, Mobix, 50 cents. MOBX, 50 cents. 50 cents. Am I still froze? Am I still froze? Anybody? YouTube, TikTok? Anybody on TikTok? Oh, offering on battle at 550 a share. What? Why? Why are they giving it up so easily there? All right, let me go to TikTok app on my phone. Okay, and I gotta do that one there and TikTok right there, QR code and scan. Come on, ding nabbit. Why? Why is it doing this? Let's try that again. Scan QR code to connect. Why is it not scanning? Seriously, though, this is a little annoying. All right. Move it up here. Maybe that's the problem. Seriously, it's not letting me scan in. It's not. Oh, Jesus. What happened to TMDE? What is going on here? Wow. Okay. All right. Well, we're just gonna go ahead and just we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna take our loss. I don't care. That looks bad. That doesn't look good. So we took $25 loss on TMDE. For some reason, TikTok is not letting me log in here. Not sure why. And this one here is turning around on me as well. So now I'm only up 3% instead of, yeah, still froze on TikTok. Okay. All right. Well, don't know what to do about that. Oh, Cree says, I see ya. Cree says she sees me. So there you go. Maybe it's just some of you guys. But yeah, wow. What just happened? Can somebody please tell me what just happened? Look at this thing. This thing completely reversed. Completely reversed. Didn't even blow me a kiss. Yep, that is not cool. So we're just gonna say screw it and get out. It's not even time yet to do this stuff, but it's okay. We just gotta take our loss and say screw it. Now I'm only up 2.63% because this thing decided to tank and this one decided to tank. Hey guys, again, not financial advice. I'm still up for the day, but that really sucked. That really sucked. Everything dumped. Did it? Did everything dump? Mobix is still doing it. Here's MOBX. Still doing it. What do we have here? Battle's still suspended. SVRN still hanging out on that 78 cents. TPET 171. NPT 936 dropped down to 784, so that did tank. Man, look at that though, huh? We went from being up 6% to almost 3%. We're at 2.63% up for the day. That right there, that should be a learning lesson in itself for you guys, you know? Yep, I don't know. I just that was pretty nasty. That was a pretty nasty drop there. That was a pretty nasty drop there. Oof. It's pretty nasty as well. All right. Well, this just goes to show you just got to be ready. That's why multitasking when you're trading stocks is a bad idea. Bad idea. What else here? Excuse me. This is a shady market, guys. It's a very shady market. Yes, it is. I'm the poster child. Bill, it's rough, man. It is just rough. You know, we are coming out of we're coming out of a pretty rough market. We're going into a better market, but it's not like what we remember, right? And right now, oil stocks are doing well and defense stocks are doing well and stocks that have to do with energy, anything like that, I can't watch it because I'm driving. I got you, Bill. Um, so the thing you have to think about, like, yeah, sure, that's all great and dandy, but we're, we're we've got a conflict with another country, and in times of war or in times of what's going on with the world, there's fear. People are afraid to play the market. So that's another thing you got to look at. And when you're playing these little guys, when you're playing these little guys, these little stocks, um, you gotta expect all this random stuff. And so also on Mobix, be careful. Be careful. A month ago, they have a S1 dash A filing, okay? So obviously, they're below minimum bid price for the NASDAQ. Yep, battle offering 5.5. Yep. And that's ridiculous because it's at freaking $20, right? Like, why would you, why would you do that? Um, but same with MOBX. Be careful. Be careful. Um, they have an offering of common stock, the S1A. They also had that. Let's see, what else do they have? I'm looking at Mobix because Mobix is top of the leaderboard there. It's at 49 cents. And yeah, just trying to warn people that this can happen. What just happened with Battle that's suspended? What was that one that we were just in? Well, screw it. Whatever. I don't know. I don't care. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go grab a beer. I'll be right back. All right. We're good. Let's get it. Ooh, cheers. This is lemonade, not apple juice. This is lemonade. You know, again, so I'm up just about 3% on this account. On my other account, on my Thinkorswim account, I'm up 139 on it right now. Wait, 139. What the shit happened? It was 164. Am I in something else? Hang on. Woo! Multitasking. Multitasking. Oh, yes. TMDE. Mother son of a gun. Well, this is why. Hey, good morning, Carlos. This is why I tell you guys, don't multitask when you're trading stocks. It's no bueno. Wow. Okay. All right. Well, we'll get out of that too. All right. Well, so we're up on the other account there. We're up $139. We were up 164. And then yeah, I forgot about it. Oh gosh. Oh man. You guys. Oh, that's great. Anyways, so that means that I'm up about with what I'm up here and there. Yeah, I'm up about $170 for the day. That's pretty good. I'm good with that. That's good. Squids, thank you for sharing the live. You guys are awesome. Look at that, 37 of you. I'm glad you guys can see me. I don't know what happened, why you guys couldn't see me. It's kind of weird. Overall market down huge. Well, again, when the economy is in, is having problems, because we're going to war with other countries. I don't know if I should say war. It's not war. It's not war. We're just kind of clapping them a little bit, getting them to respect their people, I guess. NPT, there you go, guys. Oh yeah. Oh, the targets are a hitting. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels good. Doesn't that feel good when a target hits? I'll have some lemonade. Yes. Let's see how far back this thing will pick me up. Hold on. Hang on. Oh yeah, still picking me up. Oh, lemonade's good. The sparkling kind with the bubbles. The bubbles, the sparkling lemonade. It's delicious. It's very refreshing at 5:50 a.m. Oh, here we go. Sorry. It's a good song. I listen to this all the time because my son likes to watch sing. All right. Again, entertainment, guys. If you don't like it, then get the fuck out. Basically, I got to keep it entertaining. It's trading stocks. Who in their right mind said that trading stocks is fun and exciting and what what? I mean, I did. So I guess something's wrong with me. I'm still standing. Literally, I'm standing. I'm at a standing desk. So, yep. All right. So NPT hit four targets so far. It came close to that last target there. Man, if this continues the way that it's going, it's already 3x the float. SPY is tanking, is it? Let's see. Well, if the SPY is tanking, then that means the VIX is going up. Because remember, we're bullish, so we like to look at things that go up. At least my wife does. That's horrible. That is horrible. Oh my God, I can't believe I said that. Wow. See what happens when I get a little lemonade in me? Ooh, should go back to apple juice. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the ladies out there. I know, getting excited. Silly girls. I'm just kidding. All right, so this is what the VIX has been doing. Look at this. Ah, jeez. So if you like to play the market and you like to play like SPY and the VIX, you could literally play these things off of each other. SPY goes down, VIX goes up, VIX goes up, SPY goes down. I just said the same thing backwards. That's amazing. I'm very good at doing that stuff. Yes, still frozen on TikTok. How about now? Am I frozen now? You are not froze. Okay, cool. See? And then that's weird that some of you have me frozen and some of you don't. Aw, you all know you love this song. That's right. I'm looking for something else. I want to catch another MOBX like early. So SVRN, salty. That one's kind of old. SVRN is on my watch list. Yes. Uh-huh. Yep. It's coming up. I see it. It's right here. I see it. I've been watching. I've been watching. These are gaps. That's what these are. And Mortal Kombat, baby. Who doesn't like this song? Come on now. Hey, do you know that there was a Jarek on Mortal Kombat? And I'm a Jarek. It's pretty cool. I don't know if any of you knew that. That is actually my name. So, and J Rock, Jarek, I picked it up. I picked that up back when I had a printing company. Well, it was a print. I was a print broker. Yeah, my business partner, his name was Rex. Debbie says, "No, you're J Rock." That's true. My business partner, whose name was Rex, came up with J Rock. He just said, "Man, you're always rocking out. You're always freaking on the go, go, go." J Rock was born. Yep. Then I went to selling cars, and yeah, we had a. So my heard the song and got up and started doing roundhouse kicks. Ha ha ha. Oh, dude, yeah, nice. I used to do a little taekwondo. Roundhouse kicks. Oh yeah. Um, but yeah, so had that company. Did work for a company called Mob Inc. And this guy, this POS, Jay Bloom. Oh God, wow, Jay Bloom. So he took my little company, and we had a sign business as well. Like we put the realtor posts in the ground. We put the signs up. We printed the signs. We kept them all. We stored all their signs, and we did that, and that was doing pretty good. That was making you know, the initial hit of that was a decent amount of money. But I made all the posts myself, built them, painted, and all that stuff. So I got cheap costs on everything. Um, but yeah, it was netting us other than other than gas, because yeah, I never really gave a crap about gas, because it was always pick one up, drop one off kind of thing. And so it ended up doing about 5, 6 thousand a month for literally just driving around putting posts in the ground and picking them up. It was really easy. We had a good base of realtors because doing headshots. I used to do headshots for realtors, photography, and we used to print their business cards, and we used to print their signage. We used to print everything. So the company was doing really well. We gave all that up because this company called Mobby came into town and did the Las Vegas Mob Experience. And the Las Vegas Mob Experience was at the Tropicana. And the Tropicana um, did this huge thing, like signage. We had like $180,000 worth of signage work in, like, this would literally be about a year. We had to do it within a month because their opening was coming up in a month, and they said, "Hey, you guys, like, if you guys can do this, you're locked in. We got you." Well, so we did all that work. We did a crap ton of work. They first paid us $80,000, like right off the bat, no problem. We're like, sweet, that's great. And obviously we took deposits for the other stuff, but it wasn't like the full payment. Then we got to the end, they owed us, like, I think another 120,000, and they paid us a little less than 40,000, and we were done. Like, we still had to pay all our vendors and all our stuff. It sucked. Yeah, road dude. Have you seen the with Jake? Jake, I think Jake Dylan Hall. I think, I don't know. Forgot what his last name is, but dude, that movie with McGregor and Jake. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Yeah, well, so that's how I got out of the sign business, and I continued to do photography, but I got out of the sign business, went into selling cars, sold cars for about 9 months, and then got promoted to finance manager because I just kicked ass, because I rocked. And again, that name J Rock just kept kind of popping up. My GSM called me J Rock, and then and again I was J Rock in the car business. It's like, Jesus Christ, man, J Rock just keeps following me everywhere. So there you go, Jrockstocks. Let's go. Why? Because I rock the stocks. So, oh, sorry, backhoes. I didn't see that, man. So if the offering is at 550, how does that work for my 30 shares? Well, when it opens up, it's more than likely going to tank, um, because they're going to be offering shares of common stock at $5.50. And that's a lot of shares. I don't know because I haven't seen what the actual offering is. If anyone has a link, share that link because I don't see it. All right, what movie is this from? Is this the History Channel? J-Rock History Channel. What? That's right. I wish he would talk like the guy from Planet Earth when he tells us stories. Planet Earth? I can. Well, just how does that guy sound? What show do I what am I missing here, Debbie? Hmm. Planet Earth. Oh, is that the guy with the deep voice or is that the regular? I don't know. Hi. I'm having some lemonade. Yeah. So I put my watch on and my heart's back to normal. Yeah. Yeah. You have to listen to him. Oh my God, yes. I'll listen to it and I'll work on that accent. You guys are at 13,000 right now. You guys were at 7.8 thousand earlier, so we only need 5,000 more likes and I'll do a live again tomorrow. Yo, boy, it's fun. It's fun. Uh, no, no. 87? Debbie. It was 78. You are the last dragon. All right, what movie is this from? Come on, guys. So please, guys, please, 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 just remember I go live at 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every morning, Monday through Friday. Okay. Uh, you know, I love TikTok so much. I do, I do, I love it so much. It's so nice to me, so kind, you know. Um, I keep forgetting to do this one. Ah, because I don't like bears. Bears scare me. Not the football team, but the bears, the psychological bears in the stock market. So we love TikTok. We love TikTok so much. So much. So still, I don't see any news on that offering. So if anyone's got that news for me, let's see. Let me try a different. Let's try Yahoo Finance. There it is. 15 million 14 point what? Okay, let me see. I mean, like you can't be mad at them. I mean, you can because getting rid of their shares at $5.50 a share. Uh, that's rough. When the stock when the stock is what 27? Is it still 27? Did it open up yet? Yeah, it's still 27.63. That sucks. I'm not seeing anything really like wow, fantastic. I gotta call it out. So that's why I'm just kind of talking, you know. Um EONR is trying to break through that 67 roadblock. All right, so let's see. $15 million raise, priced at 550 per share. Private placement, Roth Capital. What? Can you guys believe that? That Roth Capital would do that? Wow. Hang on. Hang on. Let's see. Let's see if it'll if TikTok will let me in so I can show you guys my profile here, so I can show you what I've been talking about when I talk about this stuff all the time with you guys. I talk about this stuff all the time with you guys. Still not reading it. Jeez Louise, what is going on here? All right, let's try this. Let's try this. Wow, I don't know why it's not reading it. Oh man, I wonder if TikTok's got an issue with me. Anyways, go to my profile on TikTok. Let's see. Maybe I don't have to log in to see it. Maybe it'll just let me. Maximum number of attempts reached. Try again later. Sure. Never say. Actually, let's see what happens when I type in Jrockstocks. Okay, there we go. There's a live there. There we go. So it's okay. So it's fine. That's working. Um, so here we go. Why breakouts fail. Toxic agents right here. There you go. Toxic agents, dilution, da 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 da, blah 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 blah. All right. So Roth Capital is not on here, but Roth Capital is one of the ones that does this crap all the time too. So Roth Capital, you got to pay attention. Toxic. I should have actually put Roth at. I would probably say Roth would probably go right up under Maxim. That's where I'd say I'd put that one. But they are a toxic agent. You guys should go in here, go into my profile. Okay. Remember, it's Jrockstocks like this. No other way. No dots, no dashes, no zero. They're not zeros. They're O's. Okay. They're O's. These aren't zeros. This is an S, not a five, and this is an S, not a five. Okay. Just make sure that's what you're looking at. Okay. And then you'll find this great information here. What top 1% of penny stock or penny scalpers look for pre-market. You'll find the toxic agents one right here. Why breakouts fail, right? If you don't know what certain filings are, just click on this one and you'll see that there is right here, there's an S3, S1, S3, 424, B5, B3. Like super easy, super quick. You can just take snapshots and that's it. Okay? But seriously, like do yourself do yourself a favor and look at my profile and like my videos, and that way you'll know when I'm on. Okie dokie. All right, artichoke. Let's see. So you have LNKS, LNKS 5 million float. So far, it's done 1.28 in volume. Its average volume is 1.16, so the volume is picking up considering its average, and we're still in pre-market. That's pretty good. Smash that like button. Yes, yes, yes. We're almost there. You guys are almost at that 25,000. You know what? If you guys hit 25,000 today, right now on this live, then I'm gonna do something special for you guys. I'll give you an air high five. Okay? But you can't have it right now. I'll, I'll have another lemonade. Oh, so refreshing. Okay, so backhoes. So what does that do for you? So what are you in at? Backhoes, what price are you in at on Battle BATL? I'm just reading here.
So here's the other thing on an offering like that. So a lot of people think that they just put that offering out. So that offering has been in the works. They locked in that 550 previously before the thing erupted, before the thing went to 27 bucks. Okay. It's just that we got to see it in the news um, when they put it out. And that's the shock. That's the shock and all, right? That's the like punch him in the no, just kidding. That's the shock and all right there. Okay, so you're in at let's see, you're in at 2781. You have 30 shares. 2781, 30 shares. Let's see. So because we're getting so close to open, so because we're so close to open on battle, I think what battle's going to do, and notice I have not tried to buy anything because we're getting so close to market open. The market's too finicky right now. Um, what could happen at open? Obviously, it's going to get hit hard. 15 million dollars worth of shares, which is like two, what is it, 2 point, where is it? I had it right here. 2 point, 2 point something million shares. God, I can't. Stupid. I can't find it. I saw it here somewhere, and I can't find it right now. Let's go back. Let's go back into that stupid thing right there. 2 point. Where are you? God, it's gonna bug the crap out of me. It's like 2 point something million, 2.5 million or something like that. Uh, anyway, so that's basically gonna dump on the market. So that stock's gonna go down. Um, best bet for people that are in it at that 27, I mean, and you also have to think about it this way. Now, is it gonna come back up because of what's going on? Oil prices hit, like I said, if oil prices hit 90 bucks or higher, this thing's gonna go up. Now, is it gonna get up above your 2781? I don't know. I was thinking it was gonna go up to 45 bucks, but then, here's that offering. So there's a lot to read on this thing. And I just kind of skimmed it. I plugged it into Chat GPT, had it kind of skim it for me. But backhoes, so is it gonna open at market open? I think so, yes. So we'll see. We'll see. That's tough. That's tough. The market give it and it takes it away. Like TMND right now. Or I don't know why I keep doing that. TMDE. TMDE right now, it hit 308 and now it's at 348. Like, all right. So the thing you're looking at when you're looking at these penny stocks is it's a rinse and repeat. 615, guys. So 615's here. Make sure you guys are taking your profits when you can because the market is, she's a mean one. Like I said, she'll give and she'll take, but she'll take more than she gives, guaranteed. Look at SVRN right now. Hit 92 cents right now. It's fighting with 80 cents. All right. Yeah, MOBX back to 46 cents. Even though they got a nice big Navy contract, which unfortunately they didn't disclose the size of the order that the US Navy had placed. Don't date or marry a penny stock. Yeah. Yep. Only date and marry Debbie's. Yeah. Yeah. So again, just make sure you guys are taking your profits. I could have taken a small profit on what was it? On TMDE and I didn't, and then it cost me 25 bucks. I was up 6% on this account here, and now I'm only up 3%. So just a little under 3%, but still whatever, still green. I can go to sleep feeling good about myself. Oh man, I gotta look up that voice. Planet Earth, huh? It's because you got the glow. All right, anybody got any questions, any concerns? Look at that, guys. We hit our goal. You guys hit 20,000 likes on this live, which is really cool. Appreciate that. With all the crap that TikTok gave us today. Um, that's pretty good. That's pretty good for all the nonsense TikTok causes today. YouTube, you guys are awesome. You guys don't have to deal with all the crap TikTok does. So I'm looking, I don't see anything really jumping out at me that's gonna be like, oh, all right, yeah, market's open, boom, right? So just keep an eye out. Matt Rayner, TPET. Okay. Hmm. Hang on a second. Huh. Okay. Just got a notification from the website. Um, if you guys are on the website, make sure that you guys are trying to log in, not sign up. People have problems with that for some reason. Make sure it says log in, not sign up at the top when you're trying to get in the website. Um, all right, TPET. What do I think TPET is going to do? Well, it did a nice big double bottom here. If you take this and put it in a 5 minute, look at that. Boom, boom. It needs to break this 197, so $2. $2 seems to be its resistance there, but it breaks $2. It can probably move up, maybe hit 223 again, maybe even higher, right? TPET, we all know TPET. And TPET is one of those companies that likes to dilute. They like to mess with us. They like to take our money. Ooh, battle just opened up. BATL just opened up 21. Of course, they would do it right before market opens. Of course, they would do it right before market opens. Do you know why they would do it like that? Because there are no stops, and you just take people's money. And that right there, my friends, that is dirty. That is dirty. Backhoes, I hope you're paying attention. I would take my profits or my loss in this case. I would take it uh, when you get a bounce. You get little bounces here and there. You just saw it bounced up to like $22. There you go. There it is again. Obviously, people are thinking right now, they're thinking, well, the market is finicky. They just did this offering. They know the offering's out there because it's in the news now. They also know that we're in a conflict with Iran. We're in a conflict with oil, right? Backhoes lost 200. Oh, man. Sorry to hear that. Look, you'll make it back. That's a given. You'll make it back. Um, but you got to remember the conflict. You got to think that conflict is going to drive oil prices up. Oil prices go up. Battle, TPET, um, oh God, TMDE, they're all going to go up. But it's a matter of what risk you want to take. Honestly, that's all it is how much risk do you want to take on a stock? Because it's literally like playing the lottery. All right, you catch a good one and it runs and it goes freaking sky high. I was in a stock. I don't know. I think I had 4 shares and I wasn't paying attention. It was on my small account. It was whatever. I just left it and forgot about it. And then I remembered, oh shit, I got this account. Let's go take a look at it. I took a look at it, and the damn stock went to like 169 bucks from I think it was like 20 bucks. And I looked, I was like, holy shit, I'm up 200 bucks. Like out of nowhere. So is this going to go back up? I mean, it's it's hard to say. Are they going to do another offering? They can. Do they have anything else open? Like, was that the only one that they had? Tell me if you guys have seen more than one offering in like a week on a certain stock. If you guys have, let me know in the chat. I might survive, lol. Bill, you'll survive. You got this. Backhoes, you'll do it as well, man. You have good days and you have bad days, and unfortunately, see, there's Spidey. Spidey, yes, I have. I've literally seen offerings happen literally one after another in 1 week, and I can't remember what stock it was, but it freaking sucked. It was like, are you kidding me? Another one? You guys just did one. Well, that's the market we live in, unfortunately. So it's important when you can take profit, you take profit, you minimize your risk by taking your shares off the table like I did, like I showed you guys. I said, "Hey, okay, I'm going to take 100 here, I'm going to take 100 here and then 50-50." Would have worked out if it went up. It didn't go up, it went down. I still took my profits, still got out. I'm still green for the day, you know? So that's what it is. Questions? Anybody? Anybody? Matt Rayner still TPET. Um, again, got to be careful with that one. That one's risky as well. It's an oil company, or it's Trio Petroleum, so it's an oil company. It's a small oil company. They've been funky as well. They've put offerings out there. Um, I can't remember what TPET was it. They do that. I believe they had a split a while back. Yeah, I mean, they've got S1s, they've got Def 14As, S3, S8. They've got an effect. So again, Rick, MOBX. MOBX. Well, we already saw what MOBX did. They have a nice Navy order for Tomahawk missiles. Here's the thing. Not mob. Here's the thing though. They're under $1. They're not in compliance with the Nasdaq. Do we think it's gonna rally and run over $1 with a stock that didn't tell you what size the order is? Secures significant U.S. Navy Tomahawk missile component order as production accelerates. Doesn't say what size the order was other than it was significant. Significant to who? Look at the perspective. You know, what's the perspective? The perspective is that right now stocks that are linked to defense, to weaponry, to oil production, to oil equipment, they're all going to put out news that could spark a little run, right? And you might have had that little run. So there you go. That's what I think. Do I think MOBX could still get up to 74 cents? Yes. I still think that. You know, what's going to happen with Battle? Battle's coming back up. Nice and easy. It's coming back up. Is it going to dump on you again? Maybe. There's Battle. Market opens in 3 minutes. So guys, just be very cautious with trading. We're not in a good state where possible short cheap risk. Thanks, J-Rock. Yes. Everything you guys do, just think risk reward. Okay, am I willing to risk this to make this maybe? Sure. And within that, you got to think, okay, now that I did this, take some profit off the table, take some shares off, so that when this thing does tank, it doesn't hurt me as bad. Now, when the market's going to be open, it's going to be a little easier. It's going to be a little safer. And the only reason I say that is because you're not going to be caught in these, like you just saw. The freaking Battle went from 28.49 all the way down to $20. It literally went down freaking $8. It went from 28.49 to 28.48. Can you believe it? In no way, shape, or form would you see that when markets open, because it would halt. It would give you a halt. On my daddy. I mean, on my mom. On my mama. You said Tawak components? No, Tomahawk. Tomahawk components. Yeah, it says the U.S. Navy Tomahawk missile component order as production accelerates. I don't, I'm tired. So there you guys go. Market opens here in a minute. Remember, please take your profits. Take your profits. I go live at 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every morning, Monday through Friday. Okay. I also live stream YouTube simultaneously. And I used to say fuck the algos, but now I'm saying fuck TikTok because TikTok's an idiot. So there you go. Bears suck. Okay, fuck the Bears. And take your profits. Take your profits. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Debbie, I'm glad you saw me go green on a few and take losses on a couple. But again, take your profits on the way up into strength, not in a weakness. And then, oh, good, good, backhoes. You made $70 back. There you go. Good, good, good. Be careful. Look at what I said. At open, what's going to happen? There it is, right there, going down. Now, again, it could find support back at $20 and rally back up. Very possible. The market is very um, unpredictable. And this might be market makers dragging it down so they can get in and watch it go back up. Okay, trap the shorts, trap the longs, and they've got a good day. They make money off of us. But guys, hope you enjoyed the live. I did, even though I was fucking around with TikTok. Um, it's a good day. You guys enjoy yourselves, and I will see you guys. See you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out. MOBX. Yep, halted. Not halted. Nope, not halted. 47 cents. MOBX right here. MOBX. That's the target. 74 cents. We'll see if it hits it, but I won't be here to see it because I gotta go. It is 6:31. I'm already late to feed the fish. All right, guys. Have a great day and take profits on the way up. Peace. I guess I should do this. This might be better. I just did that. YouTube, thanks for hanging out. Hopefully you guys made some money. Hopefully you guys made some money back. That would be cool. Just remember, take your profits on the way up. Wake up, right? And there you go. I'll see you guys at 4 a.m. tomorrow. Peace out, guys. Again, thanks for hanging out.